Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
शाम को आपकी पार्टी है और कल सुबह में you're going to meet new set of people for your business deal. Now, for the evening, you dress up really well. You're making sure that you look great. You want to have a lasting impression on someone. Hi guys, Anveshi this side, and today we are going to talk about mistake that kills your charisma. Number one, not proactively introducing yourself. Many people feel really uncomfortable when they get into new groups or into parties. They don't proactively introduce themselves. Uske badle, what they'll do is they will just wave their hands, hi. This is a sign of less confident people, and people will be really uncomfortable talking to you, and that's where you have created barrier for yourself that may keep you out of reach of some really nice opportunities as well. Instead, the real way to carry your charm is to make eye contact. Whomsoever you are meeting, make your eye contact and have a firm handshake. Even if you are a woman, even if you are so fragile and nice and seductive, make a firm handshake and eye contact for a fraction of seconds. Eye contact builds trust. The very first moment, people judge you in the first 7 seconds. Remember this point. The next point, not introducing your friends. You are meeting some set of people whom you already know, या फिर आप नहीं भी जानते उनको. But if you are with your friends and all you're doing is just introducing yourself and avoiding your friends, you have to make sure that you introduce yourself first, the way I told you, and then make sure that you introduce your friend with an adjective. Like, hi, I'm Anveshi, meet my friend Priya. She is a really great musician. So what did I do? I attached few adjectives. I was praising her. And लोगों की आदत होती है कि subconsciously what you tell about people, good or bad, whatever you say about a person, directly they connect and they relate it with you as well. So when I'm saying that she is a great performer, she's a great musician, people will consider me as well as someone who is really great and who can perform really well. That's how mind works. Point 3, don't give suggestions when not asked. जब आपसे कोई पूछे नहीं और आपको पता है कि if your friend or somebody you just met is going through some existential crisis or some issues, some boyfriend issues, and you have experienced something, until and unless somebody is asking for your opinion, please don't suggest, please don't impose your advice on them. हमें लगता है कि we know so much, we should share, we should help, but you are not sure whether you are helping or you are just wasting their time and your energy on them. Make sure that you only give suggestion when asked. Next point, talking too much of nonsense. Like you are telling about your experience, like I have arrived to the party and the moment I entered, I'm talking about, oh my God, I was so badly stuck in the traffic, Oh God, life is such, weather is so bad. I don't know why it's so hot in Mumbai. I think we should travel somewhere, This is irrelevant talk. सामने वाले को आपके इश्यूज से, आपके ट्रैफिक इश्यूज से, आपके मेकअप से, आपकी ड्रेस से या आपके आज के पूरे दिन से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. So make sure that you talk in interest of other people as well. Involve them in conversation. Ask them questions of their interest too. And also don't go with social scripts. The next thing that you have to avoid doing is mumbling. Mumbling is आपको समझ में आया मैंने क्या बोला? नहीं आया ना? Mumbling is a charisma killer. It kills your charm because ये शो करता है कि आप जो बोल रहे हो वो आपके लिए भी important नहीं है, because to deliver something that you want to has to be precise, loud and clear. The next point is answering questions in a word. जब भी आप किसी से मिलते हैं और एक शब्द में अपनी बात खत्म कर देते हैं और फिर उसके बाद में एक awkward silence होता है. अब सामने वाले को नहीं पता कि उसको आपसे क्या पूछना है, because you are so precise, you look uninterested. Try to add some more words to your conversation. Like, अगर किसी ने मुझसे पूछा कि where did you travel recently? I would say I traveled to Paris. खत्म कर दी मैंने बात. Instead, what I can do is I went to Paris. I loved the feeling of Eiffel Tower. So now you have said so much. सामने वाले को बात करने के लिए context मिल गया. The next thing that you do that kills your charisma, Especially ladies, be very careful with this. Whining, complaining all the time. आप अपनी friend को मिले, किसी बंदे को मिले, किसी अपने work place में हो, all you're doing is just complaining about one thing or the other. So be very careful. Don't complain. Instead, practice gratitude. Try to compliment more. Try to say things like, oh my God, I'm so blessed to have such a life. Practice saying thank you. It's really magic, okay? Next thing, not remembering names. So, not done. सबसे खराब आदत है ये. Like literally, this is one of the most unattractive thing. हम इसको बहुत ही proudly बोलते हैं, अरे यार मैं तुम्हारा नाम भूल गया. I'm so sorry. I'm just bad with names. No, you cannot be bad with names. That's how people relate how important they are to you. I'm going to tell you a trick to remember names. जब भी आप किसी से उनका नाम पूछो, suppose if I'm asking your name, hi, my name is Sam. What you do is, okay, Sam, nice to meet you. Repeat their name right after them. Over the period of time, आपके बचपन से लेके बड़े होने तक जितने भी लोगों से आप मिले, जो भी आपने देखा, सुना, पढ़ा, that makes a personality. That is you. वहीं पे क्या होता है, कुछ लोग just to see it is fashionable, they start smoking because their friends are smoking. They start drinking. Be very firm in your decisions. Don't change. Do what you say what you do. That's it. I hope this helps. Be very careful. These are small things that makes a big difference in life. I hope it really helps. I'll see you next week. Take care.